Welcome back to Gordon's channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the position sticky property. So first of all, now if we apply the position sticky, now we see no change because we have not assigned the top yet. Okay, so now after assigning top 0 and the position sticky, it seems that there is no change because position sticky will estimate the position relative when the scroll has not reached the assigned top. So now if we add some content to it, for example, so now if we have assigned some content to the page and then when we scroll it, we can see that the child element with position sticky, it will stick to the top of our page when it is scrolled reach the top 0. If we change this number to say 10, it is okay too, and it will stick to 10 pixels from the top, just like it is position fixed. So this is the basic knowledge of position sticky, and we can also let it left, for example. For example, we can see that it is stick to the left because it is reached, so it will analyze position fixed. And now let's see if we there's one point to note about position sticky, which is it will scroll away with the container. For example, okay, now I add some content. Let me remove this titles. Okay, now there's some content outside the parent element. And if we scroll the parent element away, we see that the child element with position sticky also scrolled away because sticky is contained within its parent. And what application can we use on position sticky? So let's take for example a shopping list. Right. For example, we have some shopping list, okay. And then when we scroll to it, we can see that the category will remain here when we are scrolling this. And if we have another pair of the copy and then paste, and if we have some other category, for example other items to buy, for example, and then we can see that when we scroll it, then it will be here. Okay, so now if we want this to go away, we need to add a parent to it, and then contain it inside. And then we need to add another parent to the second category. So now we have some container containing the header title and the list, and if we scroll it, the header will stay with the list, but if we scroll it away to the next category, then this category will be scrolled away because of this parent element. This if element, when it is gone, then this position sticky will be gone with it. So this is one of the application of position sticky. I hope you like my video and will subscribe me if you like. And thank you. Bye bye.